Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I meant to take you along today while I harvested, but I had left my camera at home. So I am back out here. I went and got it, and I will give you an update on what I harvested. I got quite a few things today. I'm really excited. So they're inside and just soaking up some water. Later this afternoon, I do need to make a pretty big bouquet, and then this morning, I'm going to do a succession of sunflowers, a succession of zinnias, and then I'm going to weed as much as I can. But it is going to be hot. It is 97, it's going to be 97 degrees. There is a nice breeze right now. It feels good, but the sun is hot. There are no clouds in the sky. So I will see how far I get. And then later on, I'll go inside where it's a little cooler and I'll clean some flowers. I'll put a bouquet together. And then I'll start getting some stuff ready for my subscriptions on Thursday, because I have 6 subscriptions I need to do. I have an order for a florist and I have an order for a wedding designer, all on Thursday. So it's gonna be a busy night, Wednesday night and Thursday, but that's awesome. I love it. And then Friday, I'll be getting ready for the farmer's market. Hopefully I have enough flowers for the farmer's market, because this week is Ridiculous Day, which is, it's something that used to happen a long time ago in Knoxville, and they brought it back and a lot of people came, so it's a really busy weekend. So I would really like my table to be full and not empty, but I'm not sure how it's gonna look yet. We'll just see. It seems like I am able to cut 2 to 3 buckets of flowers a day, and it just keeps going up. So I'm hopeful that it's going to just keep coming. So exciting. But anyway, I think I will go get my sunflower seeds. I don't have that many left, so I actually put in another order. I didn't realize how many I would need to keep these successions going. Zinnias, I have so many. And I keep worrying, I'm like, because last year I had one of those 140-foot rows full of zinnias. And this year, I just have about 30 feet of zinnias. So that's not even close to what I had last year. But last year I couldn't keep on top of them. But the 30 feet that are coming up are just some. And then I did plant another 10 or 20 feet. And then I think today I'm just going to plant an entire 70-foot row. If I have too many to cut, that's okay. There's some people that want to come out and just see the farm. Some florists want to see the farm. And I keep telling them there's nothing to see. I cut everything off at 5 a.m. unless you want to come out here at 5 a.m. You know, like, I don't have anything to see. So I'm going to get some zinnias planted, and those people that want to come and see the farm will see some color because I won't be able to get to them all, and that's okay with me. So that's what I'm going to try to do this morning. I probably won't get any weeding done, but I am going to try. I might not even mark what they are, because I have an entire row of sunflowers and an entire row of zinnias marked already. So I already know the varieties based on the tag in those rows, and I can always like look it up. So I think I'm just gonna plant them. I'm gonna get a willy-nilly and just throw stuff in my field. Whew. It is getting warm and muggy out. 82 degrees. I wish my watch said the humidity. But yay, I got a whole bunch of sunflowers planted. And I think like they'll give my Snapdragons some afternoon shade, which is fine for Snapdragons. So we'll see how they do together. I don't know. They might block the sun coming on some of the other stuff in the east. So we'll just see how it does. Hopefully they're in and out. Okay, so now I want to plant some zinnias, and then I have this tray of amaranth I'm going to go ahead and put in the ground as a succession. I don't really know if I need to succession this. Last year my amaranth went all the way to the end. Like it was the last thing standing. It was the last thing that I took out. And actually my dad took it out and it was thick. Like it was hard to get out. So these don't look very good. I'm going to throw them in. And then I'll plant my zinnia seeds. And you're kind of far away, but it's in the shade so that my camera doesn't overheat. Maybe I'll just take a little bit of footage. Okay, I got my sunflowers watered in, and then I came over and watered those in. And now I think I'm going to go ahead and plant maybe some artemisia and some zinnias. So I have a half row of zinnias and then a half row of amaranth, and I am drenched, and it's only 9:50. It is warm. Let's see, what is it today? It's 90, or it's 86 now. Gonna get up to 97, so they've changed it a little bit. But I'm excited to get that done. This is the arrangement that we're working on. The lily stem's a little short, but you won't see the back, but I still kind of made it. Somewhat pretty. I like that flipped on me, but I might need one more right here. But I think when those peonies open up, it's gonna be a show.